enable the profanity filter. But you can add your words and phrases manually as well. So in this section, I added a few here to block. So those words are blocked there. Just to show you an example how you do it, adding your own words. And you have the option to also load up a local file or choose an S3 buckets where you have a file if you have a lot of words, I can imagine. Now step 5, you can add sensitive information filters. So in this option here, you can block personal identifiable information or sensitive information. Like in here you get a list of words like name, phone, email, finance, IT, passport, social security numbers, and different also other PII words as well. On the regex section, you can add a regex. So I couldn't find one for blocking like API keys. So if I go to IT, there's nothing about API keys. So I added a regex here that can block API key mentioning and sharing with the chatbot if we don't want to add that in there, just to show you an example. And then X contextual grounding. So in that option, you can go and set up if you want to validate the model responses, and if you enable that, you can have the threshold here to whatever you want. So it's going to check the score. So the grounding represents the confidence level, right, from the response. And if the model response has a lower score than the defined threshold, the response will be blocked. So if the model is not very confident about the response, you can block it. And the same for relevance as well. So if the model is not very confident about the response and it's lower than the threshold, you can block it as well. So I just use the default 0.7, 0.7 there. And the last one is add automatic reasoning checks. I didn't add this one because we need to provision something else. But you can also enable automated reasoning policy, and you can just add a new policy. You can create a policy and just add it from here. So after you do all of that, you can create your guardrail, and then you get your guardrail ID. And you can also test it directly in your console by starting to use the chatbot tool right on the right hand side here.